Hey YouTube family and friends, I wanted to share with you my prayer plant. So look how big it's gone. It's gotten just this summer. So I have been treating it badly the past couple years. I hadn't been taking care of it. I kept it in, oh my God, really? Everybody got muffler problems? I'm sorry. So, yeah, so I kept it in the same pot for a number of years and it just kept dying. It would leave me a little sprig. And so this year I replanted it and oh my gosh, I cannot believe how big this thing has become in just one summer. And so yes, in the evening it folds up as if it's praying, and I needed to pray for me. Oh Lord. Okay, so I got to do a little cleaning of this plant, but I don't leave this plant outside. I don't bring this plant outside. I leave it in the house because I think last year I brought it outside and it burned up. All of these, it burned up. So yeah, I leave this plant in the house. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you. I'm looking forward to it filling out in the middle, you know, but I'm not rushing it. I'm just happy that it is, it's growing. So, yeah, that's my prayer plant. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel. I tend to send out videos at least once a week. And it could be for my plants or my health. And I'm going to start sharing some of my cooking videos with you. But in the meantime, remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.